Hello, everyone. Welcome. This video will provide you a complete framework of articles and their use. Articles of English grammar. Number 1. Definite article. The. Similarly, number 2. Indefinite article. A and an. First of all, let's start with the definite article the. The pronunciation of the and the is the same. There is no difference. Article the is used in following conditions. That's the moon. Here, the indicates the specific object. The moon. The earth. The is used before a unique object. The sun. The sun has a specific nature. Similarly, the Mars. And the Saturn. The Mount Everest. There we see only one Mount Everest in the world. Likewise, the Karnali, a big river. The biggest and the smallest. Here the biggest and smallest are superlative degree. The longest river. The tallest building. The Ramayana. The Bible. These were some examples to use the. Mostly, the is used before these nouns. Let's try to understand. Before the name of directions, such as the east, the west, the north, the south. Likewise, before the name of planets. Similarly, before superlative degree and before name of holy books. Now, indefinite article. There are two indefinite articles, a and an. First of all, where a is used. Let's discuss where and how a is used. A is used before a singular countable noun, such as a mango. Here, mango start with the consonant sound, so that a is used before mango. A bird. Bird also starts with consonant sound here. A book. A car. A basket. A cow. A boat. Now let's move to indefinite article an. An apple. Apple start with the vowel sound. So we use here an. An umbrella. An eye. An egg. An ink pot. An aeroplane. In conclusion, we can say article a is used before a singular number countable noun that starts with consonant sound. An is used before a singular noun that starts with vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.